What's up guys? For today's video we got a Nike unboxing, but for this unboxing I had to bring a special guest and we got my girlfriend Ashley, which I will not be plugging her Instagram, sorry, but you can follow me on Instagram and I will put that on the screen right now and in the description below. But like I said, this is a Nike unboxing. I don't think she knows what came out last week, but last week Nike did have a drop, so I will be surprising her with this because it was a women's drop. I'll open it, or do you want to open it?
I want to open it.
Okay,
it's
you
for
want
me,
to
right?
You get to open it. So I hope she at least knows what it is, but from the title you probably know what it is. So whoa, okay. Just don't cut yourself. Okay. No, that not. Okay, okay. Don't cut towards you. Okay. I'll take. All right. So we only got two items, so we'll pull them out one by one. Well, hold on here. We got the invoice. You probably already seen what it was, but I'll let you open this one first. And I'm hoping she knows what it is.
Nice, some Off-White.
Alright, so she doesn't know what
this.
it is, and like you've probably seen from the title and along with the date, last week was the Nike Off-White collaboration that just released. Unfortunately, I think it was like all women's. There was like some like guys tight compression pants and like the hoodie wasn't on there, so I unfortunately did not get anything for myself, but you know I had to get the Nike sports bra over here.
This is so cute.
And the retail on this was $70, which is absolutely insane. And as the time of this recording, you can pick this up on StockX for cheaper than what I paid if you are interested.
Really?
So I will, yes, unfortunate. So I will leave that in the description down below.
I feel like it's really not that much because a regular Nike sports bra is like $45. So it's like
okay, well, I didn't know that.
Huge difference for it being Off-White. Oh, it's upside down.
The tag's looking killer though. It says Off-White Nike. Maybe I'll show a close up. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, I guess you're right. If it's only like $45, it's like a $30 difference. Yeah. So not really too crazy. But we did also get it in the yellow colorway. But unfortunately, you know, it's team resell over here, and I was gonna try to sell this, so we will not be opening this one, unfortunately. But you can see it. I figured you would like the black one more. I got them.
I love that. You know, I love pink.
Wow, it's kind of heavy.
I know.
But yeah, here's the front right here with the Nike and Off. Above it, but the back is sweet. It's like this like spray painted thing that says pink. Woman, just like similar to the spray paint on the front. I like how they got like this pink underneath it.
The yellow has pink.
That's cool
Too.
Oh, that's cool. So yeah, I think that part's like the same. So like I said, I will leave that in the description down below if you want to check it out. At the time of this recording, it still actually might be in stock on Nike. I know though that these are mediums and the medium was sold out and the extra small was sold out. But if you're not those sizes and you're any other sizes, make sure you head on over there because it might still be in stock like I said, or I will also leave the StockX link in the description down below. That was everything and this was the video. I know a few months ago I got a comment saying that I should try to bring more people onto the channel. So a couple weeks ago I had Joe, and now I got my girlfriend, so hopefully this is living up to the expectations that people are wanting more people on the channel. Well, as you guys know, I'm living in Michigan now, but hopefully when the weather warms up I will get back to the vlogging. But I hope for now you guys are liking this content that I'm bringing. I'm trying to get more people, as you can see. Hopefully maybe my little brother can try to guess the new Supreme prices, or me and Joe can look at the lookbook again. Or you can guess the Supreme prices, or me and Joe can look at the lookbook, because I don't know where my calendar is. In like a week, the Supreme lookbook is coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video, and please drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out. So here's the try on portion of the video. Just joking, we're not trying on the full thing, but she did confirm it is true to size. So if you are interested in this, you can go true to size. It does fit just like a regular Nike sports bra. So like I said, if you're interested, the links will be down below in the description.